So friends, according to a tipster on Twitter, the iPhone SE4 will be priced slightly higher than its predecessor, but Apple will remain aim for a price tag below $499. For context, the previous affordable iPhone started at $429. Keep in mind that we don't have solid evidence to back the new rumor, but if true, the US iPhone SE4 price could go up 10%, getting close to $470, and if all goes to plan, the device will debut sometime in 2025, perhaps using a more modern iPhone 14 inspired design, and the inclusion of Face ID will justify the price hike. We can't know for sure, but it's been a long time since the last iPhone SE, so a price increase would not be surprised anybody. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.